Friends, I am Sai Chaitanya. Welcome back to my channel Sai Tech. In today's video, I'll be doing the charging test on the Realme 7 5G device, which is also called as a Q2 as well. And in this video, I'll be trying to record the temperature reading, and I'll try to write the battery percentage for every 15 minutes until the battery gets completely full to the 100%. And right now, as you can see, I will be using the default charger which came along with the box. Until now, I did not use the charger at all since the phone arrived only yesterday, so that's why I did not charge the phone since then, and this is the first time even I am charging the phone right now. So by using the statistics online, I did find out that the phone can charge to the 100% close to 65 minutes of time. So let's see, friends, in this test whether the phone actually charge within the time, or will it take more time or less time. And right now the phone is completely dead to 0%. I think there's a last 1%. I forgot to drain this one. I think this won't take much time in this phone. And meanwhile, if you're watching first time this channel, make sure to subscribe to my channel, friends, Sai Tech Guru, and also do check the links in description for more in-depth reviews on this Realme 7 5G device. So definitely I'll be trying to do more and more videos regarding the PUBG gameplay support and Fortnite game and a lot of other games which I need to test on this mobile phone in the upcoming days as well. So all the comments will be welcome in the below. So try to comment below what are the different tests you want me to do, what are the different game you want me to try on this Dimensity 800U processor. So definitely my upcoming videos will be on the Free Fire game, Call of Duty, Asphalt 9, Genshin Impact. These games are in my list right now at the moment to test on this Realme phone. So let's see, friends, whether the phone will actually able to support all those games or not. And this is a charger which says only the dot charger, as you can see here. So only it says dot, apart from that nothing. So let's see, friends, how much time the phone will take to completely to charge. So finally, friends, the phone has been completely dead to 0%, as you can see. So phone is completely dead right now. So let me try to connect the charger and start the stopwatch at same time. As you can see, friends, right now the phone is charging 1% and the stopwatch has been started. So I'll try to record the battery percentage and the temperature reading. So let me try to quickly take the temperature reading right now before starting the test only. I forgot to take it. 27 degrees, as you can see. So overall it's not that heat at all, and it's okay. So 28 to 27 and 28 it's maintaining, and even my surrounding temperature is pretty normal. It's not that cool, and I'm not using any air conditioner during this kind of testing. There is no air con turned on at the time right now. As you can see, everywhere surrounding situation is also 23 and 24 only. So let's see, friends, how much the temperature will actually increase during this time, and how fast the phone can actually charge within 30 minutes and 15 minutes as well. So again, I'll be back after 13 minutes. So 30 minutes, then we can discuss about the 15 minutes of charging as well. So right now you can see, friends, it's been exactly 30 minutes and the 61 of the battery percentage got reached. And let me write down the 61% of the battery, and let me quickly check the temperatures as well, how much the temperature is with after 30 minutes of charging the device. 33 degrees, as you can see here, 33. So initially it was 27 degrees, later on it increased to 29, and now 33 degrees. The temperature is gradually increasing, I can see that. And this for the first 15 minutes of the reading. First 15 minutes it did charge very fast to 31%. Now 30 minutes, 61%. That's really good for the first 30 minutes of the time. Considering the battery capacity of 5000 mAh of battery capacity, you need to keep even this thing in mind as well. So let's see, friends, in the next 15 minutes how much the phone can charge in 1 hour, and again in full charge as well. And meanwhile, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and also check the links in description for the playlist for more interesting videos. So friends, exactly after 1 hour of continuously charging this Realme 7 5G Q2, which has the 5000 mAh of battery, in the phone charged to 100% in 1 hour, as you can clearly see, friends. So 1 hour of time and 100% of the phone got fully charged from 0 to 100. That's really good for this phone, which has a 5000 mAh of battery capacity, and which has charged within 1 hour. That's a really impressive score for this phone. And for more this kind of interesting videos on this Realme 7 5G device, so try to subscribe to my channel, and also do check the links in description for more interesting videos which I'll be uploading in for the next couple of days on this phone. So make sure to check the links in description for more interesting videos, friends, as I said. And in case if you're having any other test in your mind, try to comment below. I'll try to do the test as soon as possible. And thank you for watching this video, and see you in the next video, friends. Until then, bye.